Hi everyone, it's Natalie and welcome to today's video. Today I have a sticker haul for you guys, so I will jump right into it. So the first shop that I've got here is Glam Planner. I have a ton of stuff from Glam Planner. She was having like a big sale. I don't remember exactly what it was, but it was her summer sale. So I'll show you what I picked up. So the first thing here is the freebies that I got. So with the summer sale, everyone got this freebie here. So you got some pink and yellow ombre glitter headers, which are super pretty. And then this little Lolly and Pop order tracker. It says I bought stuff, and then you've got shop, estimated ship by, shipped and received, so you can keep track of that. And then you get 4 mini checklist flags, super cute. And then you get, if you spent over 100 plus, you got this larger freebie. So you've got these purple to pink ombre glitter headers, and then all of these Happy Mail trackers down the side there in different colors. So super cute. So what I picked up, first off, I picked up the Teeny and Friends July subs, the overstock that came to the shop because I'm not subscribed. So I really like this set. They're super cute, and I tend to really like her Teeny and Friends that she does in her subscriptions as opposed to the other ones, but they're super cute. So these are little summer pool time ones, and I thought they were adorable. So you've got the girls with the hats, you know, floating in the water, and then you've got their little pets by their side floating in a little donut. So I thought that was super cute. They've got a wine glass as well, so super cute. I love those. Then these ones are Minnie Mouse themed, Teeny and Friends, super cute. So you've got all of them here in little outfits, super cute for Disney or anything Disney related, adorable. And then the last one here is like a little barbecue. So you've got the Teeny and Friends and their boyfriends. She's on a chair, relaxing with a drink, and he is barbecuing. So super cute for summer, so I love that. I also picked up the Teeny and Friends May sub that was in her shop, and like I said, these are overstock, so I really just picked up this one because I just love these little reading ones. So these ones here have all the characters reading amongst a pile of books. Love those. There's also these ones which are like mum and daughter ones, so I think these were really designed for Mother's Day, so they're super cute. And then I also love these little mask ones as well. So you have all Teeny and Friends with their masks, and then you've got the little animals down the bottom as well with little masks on, so that's so funny. So that's the Teeny and Friends May subscription. I also picked up 2 glitch grab bags of Teenies. I thought that would be good to like build up the collection and get a few different characters and a few different activities. So the first thing that it came with was this little freebie that has 2 glitch sale decorative labels, so super cute. So the first ones that I got were, these are like the little Coachella ones, which I've already got a sheet of those, super cute. These ones are like the poker machine Teeny and Friends, really adorable. I believe these are Sick Day Bippity. This one looks like Yoga, Lolly and Pop. And then this is Yoga as well. Is this Daisy and Dot or something? I can't remember the characters' names. These ones, I think they're like boyfriend or something. I don't know. I'd have to really look. I think she's got files in her Facebook which tells you which teeny activity is what. Then I also got another sheet of these mask ones. These ones are at the hairdressers, super cute. These are little working teeny bip lollies. And then this one, I don't know if it's excited, laughing, or like toothcake, so I'm not sure, but they're super cute as well. So that is the first grab bag, and then this is the second grab bag. Again, you do get the little freebie, and I'll go through what I got in this one. I believe this is school or studying. Then these are like the little Easter basket ones, which I've got those already. This is treadmill, packing your luggage. Then this is Sick Day. And these ones again, not sure what those are. Then these are those swimming ones that I've got a sheet of already. This is bath time or me time. Then there's the photography ones. And then this is like sticker happy mail, you know, like all the shopping. So super cute. So they're all the Teeny and Friends grab bags that I got. The next item that I picked up was I think it was the April mystery kit. I really like this one. It's super pretty. So it's all custom artwork. So because it's a mystery kit, I think it's a bit bigger. So this is the 4-box page. So you have, it's all very like relaxing, staying in bed, me time sort of theme. So you've got a girl peeking over a chair, having a coffee, reading a magazine. The quote box says, let's stay in bed with a breakfast tray. You've got a little like room corner scene, a phone with Instagram. Then you've got this girl having a bath, double box there, and then some pajamas and a sleep mask. So super cute. Then the next page here you have this large double box. So you've got a brunette and a blonde version. This girl enjoying like room service in bed, so super cute. And you've got some of her icons down the bottom. The next item are all these check boxes, super pretty. I love how she puts the pattern in the background. Then this next page here you have your half boxes, 2 weekly sidebar stickers, and then 2 boxes with the brunette version. So you can see that you can replace the blonde haired girl with the brunette girl, and then along with the double box here you can remove this one and place it with this one. So that was super smart actually. The next page here has all the deco, so pretty. Nail polish bottle, coffee, breakfast tray, pajamas, candles, a weekend banner, and then flags, large flags, mini flags, some asterisk dots, a planner, bubble mailer, movie marquee, 2 mini flags for the neutral planner, a credit card and a bed. Then you have 3 appointment labels, a habit tracker, and then a clean these and buy these checklist boxes. And I love like the really pretty like soft pink colors in this, pink and blue, super nice. And then this page you have to do today littles, and then your headers for the sidebar, and then all of the little things, super pretty. And then you have the washi page. So that is from Glam Planner, and that's all in glossy. The next kit I got here is the Salty Kisses kit. This is a glitch kit that I picked up. I have been wanting this one for a very long time, so I'm glad I got my hands on it this year. So this is the freebie that came with the order. So you've got a little box here that says plan next week with a planner, and then Glam Planner new releases. I can't really find the glitch in this, not sure, but her glitches are really good. These are the full boxes. I love this. This was a mystery kit last year, I think. And I love that. Love this. All like this blue and purple, like watercolor. Beautiful. Love that. Then you have the checklist boxes. Super pretty with the pattern in the background. Then you've got this functional page here with your half boxes, weekly sidebar stickers, flags, mini flags, the icons that she always pops in, and the 2 habit trackers. On this page here you have a weekend banner, deco, which I really do not like this deco. I don't think it really goes with the kit. Then you have your flags, mini flags, asterisks, icons, 4 appointment labels, and 2 3-heart checklist boxes. And then the next page here you have your headers and your little things, and then the washi, which I love. So that is the Salty Kisses kit, and that's everything I got from Glam Planner. The next kit that I picked up is from Station Stickers, and this is the Madison kit. It's so pretty. I really love this artwork, and not a lot of shops did it, unfortunately, but this is the business card. And then it did come with a little freebie, and I picked this up in glossy paper. So got a little work label there, and then their panda character. So you've got like a little packing one, a shopping, and then movie. And then you've got a habit tracker, a little build you label, and oh, did I buy this during the Planner Girl exclusive sale? I don't recall. So this is the kit. I love this. So the first page you get all of the icons, and I've bought a few station stickers kit recently, so I won't go through all of the icons and all the little bits again because you can see it in previous videos, but I just love their kits. I think they're really, really beautiful, well done, and they include a lot of stuff, and they're a really good price too. So these are the gold foiled icon sheets. I love these. They're little doodle icons, super fun. And then these are the full boxes. So this is the Madison kit. So you can see all the foil here, super pretty. They do a lot of the foil like confetti dots, and it's like a like a sewing haberdashery theme, and I love all that stuff. I love the vintage Singer sewing machine, and it's just so pretty. And then the thread, scissors, it's just stunning, and the floral prints are so pretty. I think this would be really pretty in autumn and winter with the deeper colors, and I just love it. So that's all the full boxes. Then you do get like a foiled washi strip on the top here. Then the next page here you do get that washi strip again, and then all of your check boxes. The next page you get 4 sets of 7 glitter headers, 7 half boxes and 3 glitter, 2 flags, an appointment label, rescheduled and cancelled banners, and a weekly sidebar sticker there. And then the next page you do get your headers. So you've got your colour block headers. So you've got today to do and little things. So you've got 8 of each header. And then you have your sidebar stickers. So you've got fitness, hydration this week, work, spending, cleaning, and reminders. And then you have all these labels, which is probably one of my favourite things about these kits, along with the fact that you get glitter headers and like actual headers. So I think that's really good. So you have a choice there. And then you have your habit trackers, 2 of the little panda characters, weekend banner, movie marquee, build use paydays, and a ton of little icons there. I love their colours, super unique mix of colours too. And then the next page here you have your little things. So you've got your meals, TV, 7 of each, 8 asterisks, 2 happy mails, celebration glasses, like a delivery van, shopping cart, and a laptop. And then you've got these gorgeous date covers. I think they're so pretty. Love how she positioned like the floral and the little glitter bits and the thread and feather in the background. I think it looks really pretty. There's also a Station Stickers new releases sticker there, 2 mini flags for the neutral, and then all of your date dots from 1 to 31. And then the last page, of course, you have the bottom washi strips and deco, super pretty. That's foiled too. You've got all the deco in the corner here, love that, and then a ton of washi strips that you can use as labels as well. So I love this kit so much. I do wish like I had found a kit with the Fashion Girls in it, but I couldn't go past this gold foil. So the Fashion Girls with this kit was super pretty. With this clip art were really pretty as well. So maybe I might find that from another shop and pop that in as well, because I loved that. So that's that. And then the last order I've got here is from Little Miss Papery. And I just picked up one kit and then a few other little bits. So I got the Be Fearless journaling card, super pretty. I love how she includes these, and there's always a ton of really pretty ones. They're so gorgeous. I picked up a kit, but then I also picked up 2 sheets of the Little Mini Monday laptops. She releases new ones every Monday, and they're always the same price, and they're just super cute. I love these laptops, but I only have the glitter version, and I don't think glitter goes with everything. I know a lot of people will dispute me on that one, but I wanted to get the solid little laptops because I love these laptops. They're my favourite laptops. So I just picked up 2 sheets of these in the solid colours, so I've got those. So I love those. And then I picked up the, I think it's Rosé, the kit, and I picked up the full kit. So I did get 2 freebies, so they're the same. Oh, it's the Rosé kit, yeah. So I just got 2 freebies here. So you have your little dots, $2 Tuesday, Is It Friday Yet, and new releases, script icons, an asterisk, jumbo laptop, which I love, rescheduled and note banners, a Instagram, Facebook, Etsy, and TV icons, and then the little crown in the corner. Love that. I did pick this up all in glossy. So the next sheet here, you have your little things. So you have your 7 meals, 7 TVs, a laptop, an alarm clock, a telephone, Happy Mail, a heart, and then some asterisks, and then 2 plain ones. And then you do get your headers, which are color blocked as well. I picked this up in glossy, by the way. And then also you get the glitter headers. So this glitter actually matches the glitter that came with the clip art, so you can see that it's a bit different from her usual. There's kind of more solid color in the background and a bit of sparkle. And then this is like part of the clip art too. It's a different kind of like, it's like a patterned header. So very pretty. Love these colors. Very like Pantone 2016 or 2015 when they had like, what was it? The blue and the pink. I can't remember the exact names of the colors, but it's very much those colors. So this is the first page of the kit. So ton of stuff on this page as always. So you got all your checklists, your little meal icons, flags, and a ton of cutout icons here. Then traditional circle icons, your 2 weekend banners, then the decorative icons, and yeah, all of those there. Super cute. And then you have your second page, which I can't pick up. Your second page here with your 7 half boxes, quarter boxes, a selection of headers, some little things here, 3 habit trackers, 2 bill dues, the next week and this week, and then the horizontal size weekly tracker, and then a large flag at the bottom. You can see the glitter and the floral print is really pretty. And then these are the full boxes. I fell in love with these boxes as soon as I saw them, so I had to get this kit straight away. So you've got your glitter boxes, that patterned header as well. You've got 2 quotes, life is tough but so are you, and rosé all day, and then all this beautiful floral and this like, I think it's like damask print, but it's really pretty. And then you have your quarter boxes down the bottom. Then the next page you have all of your checklist boxes, your vertical weekly tracker, and 2 3-heart checklists. And the next page you have your checklists, another 6 half boxes, some more quarter boxes, your 2 sets of date covers, which are both really gorgeous, and all of your date dots. And the last page you of course have your washi, so you have your strips for your horizontal, or you can layer it with the vertical washi, that's here. Washi strips, some little dots, and then the little deco here that came with the clip art. So you got like these little fuzzy like high-heeled slippers. Is that a lamp, lipstick, gift, some floral, a little duster, and a pair of runners, and a key with a fluffy keychain. So really cute. So that's from Little Miss Paperie. And yeah, that is everything for my haul today. I really hope that you enjoyed watching. I'll leave all the links to shops and any coupon codes I may have down below. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!